Oh, tiny little dude. Tiny little dude. Okay. Tiny little dude. Alright. Oh. He's not making a lot of a plopping sound, and I think that has to do with this grass all over it. Frustrating. God, it's like every cast. Scaring frogs again. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a deer over there. I cannot see the camera lens or whatever. I'm just pointing in the general direction. A bunch of ducks too. Okay. Oh, jeez. Let's try that one again. Nope. Excellent. Finally. Oh, sit down. There we go. So there you have it. Finally. Okay, stop being a jerk. In the literal form. Oh God. And this one's got a hook down his throat too. And enough line to catch him again. My pliers are in the car, and I don't think I can get that hook out anyway, but I might have some scissors here. Don't laugh at my pink scissors. Yep, stop shaking. That'd be a good idea. There you go, buddy. I don't think I can get that hook out, or I would try for you. Nice little fish. 3/4 of a pound to a pound, maybe. There you go, buddy. There you go. All right. Just doesn't care. All the little ducks over there. Super cute little park. Hi honey, how you doing? She's like, yeah, I'm eating. I don't care. I mean, she's she's coming towards me. That's how non-caring these deer are. Alright. Of course the camera stops for some reason. So there we go. Better one. Kind of both in the same spot as the other fish. Nice little bass, maybe about a pound. A little over a pound. He's 13 inches anyway, so that's good. That'd be a keeper. Here you go, buddy. I can still see him swimming there. There he goes. Nice blow up though. Missed that. Oh well. Let's see if there's another one over here. So close to perfection. Oh God. I love the sound. You can run it really slow. It's almost like a buzzbait. It has a little bit of a wobble to it. Obviously you can stop it and pause it and stuff like that, but it's really that you can run it slower than the other Whopper Ploppers that makes it different, in my opinion. I kind of dig that. I'm not really a huge Whopper Plopper fan in the first place, but I have thrown them and I do catch fish on them. I think this can be an efficient tool though. I mean, you can use it. You don't have to worry about it sinking, obviously. But you can fish it really fast. Cover water with it. Okay, so a little pond adventure this morning with the Whopper Plopper 75. Did okay, caught a couple fish, nothing special. A little fun. I like having fun. I think I'm going to go ahead and tie up a bladed jig, hair and hackle type bladed jig, and fish that versus a Z-Man chatterbait. Anyhow, if you like this and if you want to see more, please click subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and we'll talk to you later. Have fun.